Hi everyone, just going to look at simple division of fractions. We've done the multiplication first, did addition and subtraction. Let's do some division. Some people have trouble with this concept here, let alone coming down to these. Let's go back to what happens when you go 10 divided by 5. The question is really how many times does 5 fit into 10? So 5 and 5 is 10. So if I add 5 and 5, I get 10. So how many times does 5 fit into 10? Twice. So the question is, how many times does 5 fit into 10? So let's go to the fractions and do the same thing. How many times does 1/3 fit into 2? So if I go over to my circles, I drew a third here, freehand and approximate, like splitting a cake into 3 pieces. And then if I split this into 3 pieces, I've got a third and a third and a third. So how many 1/3s have I got in 2 pieces, in 2 cakes, in 2 whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is, how many 1/3s will fit into 2? And the answer is 6. When I was in primary school, we used to do common denominators, but back when I was in year 6, which was a long time ago, I had a teacher walk in and say, we've got a new method, and this was his new method. He said, get the second fraction, turn it upside down, and instead of divide, write it times. Let's have a look at what we've got. So, get the second one, turn it upside down, and change the divide into a times. Then we'd write the 2, and here's a 2 over 1, and then we've got the basics of multiply the top and multiply the bottom. So 2 3s are 6 over 1. How many times does 1 go into 6? And you've got the correct answer again, 6. It's actually commonly called invert and multiply. Now, invert just means turn it upside down. So we've got 2 of these, and we have to turn one of them upside down. It's never the front one. It doesn't work if you turn the front one upside down. It only works if you turn the second one upside down. So go back to here. It'd be no good if I turn the 2 upside down. It's about turning that one upside down. So let's invert and multiply. The 1/3 stays the same. So that one stays the same. Write it times and turn the second one upside down. Back to fraction multiplication. Multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms, and you've got 2 over 3. One more. So the 2/5 stays the same. So you've got to keep remembering it's the front one that stays the same. It's the second one that we turn upside down. So invert, the 10 goes onto the top and the 7 goes onto the bottom. So when we say invert, we're talking about turn it upside down. So I put the numerator on the denominator and the denominator on the numerator. Bit confusing. Then we write the divide as a times. Now go back to our first fractions. I got a 10 on the top and I got a 5 on the bottom. I'm allowed to cancel the 10 with a 5 because 5 goes into 5 once and 5 goes into 10 twice. Now I can multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. 2 2s are 4 and 1 times 7 is 7. And it's easier to cancel here than it would have been to cancel after. So there's a simple way of dividing fractions. Turn the second one upside down and turn it into a multiplication, and then it's as easy as doing multiplication. Please press like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you.